Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by focusing on power and connectors because most flicker starts there. Unplug and reseat the monitor power cable, then switch the monitor OFF and on once. This clears contact faults. Make sure the wall outlet or power strip is supplying stable power by testing another device. Unstable supply causes intermittent flicker. Next, inspect and, if possible, replace the power cord with a known good cable. Bent pins or internal breaks often look fine but fail under load. Once done, move to the video path. Now examine the video signal chain, cables, and drivers. You should unplug and swap HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI cables to rule out a damaged line. A simple cable swap isolates the symptom fast. If flicker persists, boot the computer into safe mode to rule out software conflicts. Then update or roll back the graphics driver because driver bugs manifest as intermittent flicker. Also try a different GPU output or connect the monitor to another computer. This tells you whether the monitor or the source is at fault. Finish by tuning settings and running final diagnostics. In your display settings, set the refresh rate to the monitor's recommended value because mismatched rates cause tearing and flicker. Reset the monitor to factory defaults to clear any misconfigured options, then test different resolutions and color depths to see if the issue changes. This helps pinpoint scalar or timing faults. Make sure to watch for noises, heat, or smell. If flicker continues, the internal power board or capacitors may need repair. Seek professional help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.